Hello everyone, and you know that the weekend has passed already and the market has experienced a very interesting situation. So on Monday the bad news came out on the regulation of cryptocurrency market. But actually it doesn't frighten at all, it even gives some energy before the next events that are gonna happen already this week. Actually, I'm ready for everything. So, and you, subscribe to the channel right now, put the like and check all the links in the descriptions. There you will find something very interesting and valuable. Let's get it started. So let's go to the ByBit exchange and look at the chart and talk about the short and long positions. So this is the weekly time frame for a Bitcoin, and the last red week has finally closed, but because of yesterday's bad news, the drop continued to the zone of $21,400 right to the upper border of this support channel, and it is quite possible to face another try to break through this border. Actually, let's go to the daily time frame and see what is happening there. We can see that due to the historical data, the support channel was important in the previous price growth. It took several days for the price to overcome and exit this channel and then subsequently break out, and important events allowed the price to bounce from $21,000 to $23,000 per Bitcoin on impulse. So I'm drawing your attention to this correction zone that's been for several days. So guys, we need to add some more indicators to this chart. So it's gonna be a relative strength index, then add an EMA. The first one is 50 length and the red colored. Let's add two more. The second one is 100 and the color green, and this one is 200 and dark blue color. So it's ready, let's make it work. Now we have more indicators to understand market movements in detail. Now we can see due to EMA 200, it is trading in the present zone and testing it repeatedly. And we remember that the more we test the level, the weaker it is. So next we have the red EMA 50, which is at the upper border of our support channel, and EMA 100 is at the lower border of the support channel. And also it intersects with the Bollinger Band, and that's why I think it is quite possible to go down in order to gain the momentum accumulation here and then grow. I expect the correction to complete in the region of $20,800, $21,000 for a Bitcoin, where there is the additional support. Well, EMA 50, the Bollinger Band, and also our support channel that we have drawn before, this zone can be considering for opening a long position for both Bitcoin and altcoin. After confirming the signs of the reversal, the price movement at the level of 21,000 level, here it is, and it is a high probability the asset will go to hit the resistance the second time at the level in the zone of $23,000. This is this white line, and the fixing about this level will open the way to $24,000 and $25,000, and this can happen already today because the necessary volatile events have come out for this. Of course, I'm talking about the US consumer inflation report, and now we only need to keep in mind the monthly CPI. For the last 2 months, CPI reports have been out in the positive way, and let me remind you that the Fed has a goal of reducing CPI to 2%. Therefore, considering the dynamics of recent months and the fact that for the last 6 months there have been a number of events that should ease inflation, well, the market will positively react to any signal of inflation being under control, and N means that FRS knows what it's doing and is trying to ease the situation. And as for my plans, I'm going to go long, and as I said, all my actions will take place in the region of 21,000, and I also expect the completion of the correction wave here these days, and most likely before the information on CPI there will be a drop, and after that most likely the market will react on impulse and we will see the price move up in zone of 21,000, and it will be a long position. You can choose leverage that you can't appropriate, but I won't take more than 10 times, and actually in this case I think that 5 times leverage will be enough, and we will trade from the level to level from 21,000 to 23,000, and the initial target is here. The next target is in the area of $24,000-$25,000, and as we can see here, there is the upper Bollinger Band. That's why trading will be from the lower one to the upper one, and the middle will be here after an impulsive movement. Also, there is the second negative scenario. That's about that we will not fix in the zone of $22,000 level. That here we can fall down to the lower border, and after that, if we break it through and move from side to side, touching it but not breaking it, then yes, it's gonna be a more serious correction that brings us to this zone that we have determined. This is a negative scenario, and this is a small probability of it actually. I still believe that in order to go down, it's necessary to gain enough liquidity at the top. That's why now it is not interesting to us. I reckon that there will be growth to $25,000, followed by a rebound from $23,000 to gain strength and break through $25,000 per Bitcoin. And as we remember, at our next point there will be already a zone of $28,000, $29,000, $30,000 for a Bitcoin, and here there will be a zone of deception when people again believe in the growth of Bitcoin and cryptocurrency in general. At this zone there will be a high chance of deception, and then the price will go down to $16,000 level, and the worst scenario is $12,000 for a Bitcoin. And we remember that the level is very strong. It is right here. Right here we can still go to. Well, the picture globally doesn't change, but it changes locally. It can be $24,000, $25,000, but globally the trend hasn't changed yet. There are no good signs for a trend change, for bullish tendency. So leave in the comments what do you think about the market. What strategy do you follow? Are you going to go long position or short position? Let me know. What leverage are you going to take? So write in the comments everything you want. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I guess that you also watch the situation of the Bitcoin, and every day you try to predict the moments about the Bitcoin, what there will be the moment of the price. But write in the comments what position are you going to go? Because I already said it will be the long position. And what do you think about the leverage? What are you going to take? And also don't forget to subscribe to the channel, put your like, and also in the description under this video I have the link to my Telegram chat. It is the community of traders. It's about the cryptocurrency, about the trading, about the technical analysis. There you will find lots of information. So I wish you all the best and see you in the next video.